Hello guys, this is Umakant. Just standing in the middle of a forest, and when in the forest it is evening, the risk of animals movement increases. Uh, it is almost 5:30 and 6, and we can see that animal movement may start at any moment because this is the time when risk in the forest usually starts. But okay, I thought of shooting a video before I can board my car. And the forest officials has advised me to stay near the car because there is a lot of animal movement seen here. So before entering the car, I just thought of telling you an important story of a miser. Okay, how being miser is very bad. People show miserly activities in their daily life. People want to save small amount of money and do a big risk for their lives. I've been seeing people, from various parts of the country and wherever you see, people want to save a small amount of money and they do a bet for a bigger amount. Okay. And also, they do not value life. People who want to save more amount of money, they should also understand that they need to value their life more than that of the money. Because after all, the earning which you are doing is only for your own benefit and your own happiness and joy. If you cannot spend at least 2 to 5% of your amount which you earn for your own happiness, what is that you're gaining? So now, as I was just standing besides a forest, just wanted to narrate a story which will clear your doubts, like how being miserly does not help you a lot. This story will clear most of the doubts of yours. Being miserly is how risky and how dangerous for your life. So just there was a merchant who used to sell ghee. Ghee, what is that ghee? So this ghee is nothing but a kind of a oil which is usually used in India, okay, and other parts of the country. This ghee he used to mix up with other oils and used to sell, because ghee is generally, A2 ghee is generally more costly, usually most costly. So what happens is, people and the merchants who are there, they want to sell it they mix it, usually a pure ghee is not available in the market. So some of the merchants, now not talking about few, I'm just talking about a miserly merchant who was there in the past times. So this guy used to mix this ghee with other oils and sell in the market. So what happened one day? He earned a lot of money by doing this mixing, by doing this adulteration. Okay. So one fine day, the people found out that this guy is doing something wrong, and they informed the local king. Okay, and the king called him and arrested him and told that you are doing this mixing adulteration activity, which is spoiling the health of the villagers and locals here. So I want to give you a punishment. I want to punish you very hard, but since you are a merchant, I want to excuse you because you cannot take hard punishments. So the first and easiest punishment is, you pay 500 rupees, okay? And after second punishment which I wanted to give is that you can take 25 strokes from this hunter. They have a hunter, as a stick like a thing which we want to hit him at the back, a hard stick. Okay. The third punishment is that you can actually drink that adulterated ghee which you have been selling all these days. So they caught hold at least 5 liters of this adulterated ghee, and he thought of selling it. So the king tells them, what you can do is that you can actually drink it. So you know how the miserly man thinks. That what he thinks, that instead of giving 500 rupees and taking all the pain of hitting me back on my stick, so what I should do is that I will try to drink all the ghee which they are telling me to drink. So what he does, he drinks 1 liter of ghee initially, and later on what he does is, he was very happy, as he could drink 1 liter of ghee. He thought of drinking the entire ghee. So after drinking 3 liters of ghee, what happened is, he was unable to drink because it is quite difficult, and his stomach got spoiled, and he was crying, oh king, please excuse me, I cannot drink further, my energy is going, my stomach is spoiled, please give, I want to go to another punishment. So he tells, okay, our soldiers will give you a hard blow on your back from this hard stick. Bear this 25, they'll do a 25 number count, and you need to bear this pain. So that is quite easier than this. So he tells, instead of paying the money, let me go for the second option. So he takes, the soldiers comes and, they started hitting him in the back with the hard stick. And you know, when you hit so hard with the stick, what will happen? His back started paining after 15 strokes from the stick. So now he started crying again, King, I cannot bear this further. So what I'll do is that I'll pay you the amount of 500 rupees. So this is what, just usually happens in the life of a miser. A miser thinks of saving a lot of amount. He does not spend on himself. He does not spend on his family. Neither he spends on some activities like donation, doing a good work or donation. But he leaves this money and goes away from this world. So what is such kind of people aren't happy, because most of the time his focus is on saving money itself. So what I suggest is that, saving money is important for the future. But what I am telling you, at least 5% of your total earnings, you need to spend on yourself, your entertainment, your well-being, your health, and something you can donate, at least 2% or 3% to a donation or a charity. This will help for your own well-being and growth. So hope you got my point, guys. So I need to go back to my car because almost it is late in the evening, and in the forest we cannot stay here for a long time. So what I'll do is that I'm just walking towards my car, and I'm driving back to the city. So see you guys. This is Umakant, your life coach, and we'll catch up in my next videos talking about life, and talking about our emotions and feelings and how to maintain internal pleasantness. Bye guys, this is Umakant, your life coach and mentor. Bye.